The Odyssey of Christopher Columbus, a journey across oceans. Embark on a captivating voyage through the life of Christopher Columbus, a fearless explorer who dared to challenge the unknown. 1. The quest for a western route. Christopher Columbus, in a series of daring expeditions from 1492 to 1502, sought a direct water route from 1492 to 1502, sought a direct water route from Europe to Asia. Instead, fate led him to the uncharted territories of the Americas, marking the dawn of a new era. 2. The Age of Discovery. In the 15th and 16th centuries, European leaders sponsored expeditions in the fervent hope of discovering unexplored lands and untold wealth. The Portuguese, pioneers in this age of discovery, sailed along the African coast on caravels, laden with spices, gold, and enslaved people. 3. Early life and aspirations. Born in 1451 in Genoa, Italy, Columbus, the son of a wool merchant, found his calling at sea as a teenager. Surviving a pirate attack in 1476, he washed ashore, setting the stage for a destiny intertwined with the exploration. 4. The bold idea takes shape. In the late 15th century, Columbus envisioned a westward route across the Atlantic, challenging the traditional path around Africa. Though flawed in his calculations, he found support from Spanish monarchs Ferdinand and Isabella in 1492. 5. Columbus's first voyage. On August 3, 1492, Columbus set sail with the Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria. Landing on the Bahamian Islands, not the East Indies, his quest for riches in the Caribbean began. His detailed journal captured the wonders and challenges of this historic journey. 6. Later, voyages and struggles. Returning to the Americas in 1493, Columbus faced setbacks, destroyed settlements, enslaved indigenous people, and strained relations with Queen Isabella. Subsequent voyages brought more challenges, from revolt to accusations. 7. Legacy and controversy. Despite controversy, Columbus left a lasting legacy. His expeditions forged connections between the old world and the new, forever altering the course of history. 8. Confronting controversies. As Columbus continued his voyages, the clash of cultures became apparent. His encounters with the indigenous people raised ethical questions, as reflected in his journal's troubling entries about trade, enslavement, and the imposition of European ways. Turmoil and redemption. Returning to a shattered Hispaniola in 1493, Columbus faced internal strife. His brothers, Bartolomeo and Diego, worked to rebuild while tensions flared. Despite challenges, Columbus pressed on, driven by an unwavering determination to find wealth and success. 10. The unraveling legacy. By 1498, Columbus faced a different reality. His pursuit of riches led to strained relations with Queen Isabella, who rejected the enslaved people he sent. The once celebrated explorer found himself stripped of titles and in chains, a far cry from the glory he sought. 11. Final expedition and farewell. Undeterred, Columbus secured one last chance for redemption in 1502. Sailing towards Panama, storms and hostile encounters forced him to abandon ships, marking the end of his quest. Empty-handed, he returned to Spain, where he passed away in 1506. As we reflect on Christopher Columbus's tumultuous Odyssey, let us ponder the lasting impact of his journeys, an impact felt not only in the pages of history, but in the intricate tapestry of our shared human story.